I just fired my media team.
What the
Besides Isaiah. I love Isaiah.
You're good. Nah, you're good, Doc.
What's poppin'? These AI tools are getting so good when it comes to content creation. A team of 1 can now feel like a team of 5 with these tools. So in this video, I'm gonna be going over 3 AI tools that's gonna help you with your content creation. Even when you create that content, how to repurpose it. I've talked about it on different stages and podcasts, but I wanted to piece it together for you so you know what's the right tool. So come on, let me show you. Have you seen that post about Jay-Z and the AI rap? Right. So they're cloning people's voices. So it's not just from a celebrity standpoint. You can clone your voice, right? So here's the thing.
Does
right?
it sound like robotic? Like
have you heard them songs?
No. There's some that do. So there's some programs that do have that. Hi, I'm Nicky, and let me tell you 3 content tips. Yeah, no, there are some like that, but 11 Labs is actually one of the best ones that it can clone your voice, and if you put like light music underneath it, you would never even know.
Really?
I promise you wouldn't even know.
Yes.
So, I lost my voice. Great, my main way of creating content, and it's gone. I talk so much about AI, but can it actually help me?
Let me try.
I have mentioned 11 Labs before and used it a few times. Can it help me now?
I don't know.
Well, it just did. This whole voiceover was done with AI. Did you notice? Be honest. And so, I just typed that. That's all I did. I just typed that. I did a little B-roll stuff, right? I think I did that in about probably 15 minutes. That's it. And that one was probably one of my highest views as well, all through AI. And I didn't know if I could create content because I had lost my voice. That's my main way of creating content. I'm on lives, I'm like, what we doing? So this is how I'm now integrating AI. I'm not allowing AI to replace everything that I do with content. I'm allowing it to integrate and be a part of me. Let me stop this video, stop it real quick. I know you didn't subscribe to the Content Corner newsletter. Why? Because I checked the analytics. So click the link in the description, subscribe to the newsletter. I'm gonna give you a 30-day social media planner as well. All right, let's get back into this video. AI B-roll. Okay, who has a love-hate relationship with B-roll? Come on, you know what I mean? It takes me hours finding it. So, this is where I love AI, okay? This is where I love AI. Whether it's Pika Labs, Runway ML, coming soon, Sora, which I'm gonna show you, that thing is fire. I can't wait to get access to it, it's fire. But this is where I'm able to put anything and it creates a video, whether it just animates it or it creates a full-blown video, right? Normally right now they do about like 4 to 6 seconds. Sora's about to come through and have like a whole minute of it. But it's, once again, it's not supposed to be the whole video. It's supposed to enhance our videos. So if I need a French bulldog, right, in my video, because I have a French bulldog and I love him so much, shout out to Don Cuddles, right? I'ma say, yo, give me a French bulldog inside, in New York, right, with a hoodie. Ain't he adorable? You feel me? He saw the little animation, it was so cute. But you see the details in this thing? You see how fire that is? It's not a stick figure. If you wanted me to draw it, it'd be horrible, right? Maybe my dog isn't around at the moment, so I can't take a picture of him, right? This just allowed me to do this in about, like, I promise you, it took like maybe 3 to 4 minutes tops. And the quality is fire. So if I was to do that one, then maybe say change the color of it to make it like a gray French bulldog. Maybe now I want a lion in it. Now I have the whole like weird jungle in New York. I could do that and just put it together, right? This is what AI B-roll is allowing us to do. Now Sora, let me show you this. Oh, check this out. See how detailed that is? Wild, the prompt. A grandma that neatly combed gray hair behind a colorful birthday cake with numerous really long prompt that I'm not gonna read, and I'm not that detailed. right? But, and this is gonna be probably inside of ChatGPT, here's the thing. For all my non-detailed people, this is where I say ask it questions. Yo, I wanna have a grandma blowout cake, right? What would make this happen? Ask me all the questions that you would need. Oh, does it need people in the background? Do they need to have a certain kind of expression? What kind of color is the hair? It's going to ask you all these different questions, but this is where we are going to be, right? Who's impressed by this? My man? This is where it's going. And like I said, we see a lot of B-roll just in think media's videos, probably in your own videos. I don't have to worry about hours of scrolling and looking for B-roll anymore. I just got to type what I need. Oh, I got more for you. I got more for you. So video AI is a dope one, right? Opus Clip is another one. And Get Munch. And Get Munch is really dope because it gives you actual keywords and how it's trending. So with those 3 things, you could probably fire your whole team.
So I'm just playing.
I love you. I love you.
All right, so walk me through the apps, like what you do with the apps. They do the same thing?
So it's similar to him, right? So you could take your YouTube video, right, the link of it, or upload it from your hard drive, your computer, and it clips it up. So Get Munch will do about 30 clips, right? Damn fly. But it will be doing about 30 clips. Video AI does as many as it can do. Opus Clips picks about a good 30 and it gives you the viral score. So it'll pick, it'll tell you number 1 is 100 virality score, 90 virality score, 80 virality score. So you can pick.
Oh, wow.
And it gives you the same Alex Hormozy captions, emojis, all of that. And all of them do that. I like Opus Clip a little bit more based off the selection that it does. Now, majority of us are creators, so we don't necessarily like the style of it. But for my regular 9-to-5 and entrepreneurs, y'all not gonna care. It's going to pick exactly what you need. You could upload it to every content, every platform, and it's gonna do amazing. So I mentioned a whole bunch of tools and all of the links are in the description below. So which one are you gonna try? Let me know, and don't forget, I got another video you gotta watch.